Anyway, this is not a workshop to just watch me. This is for you to start doing the thing, because right? You will not get anything just by sitting and praying or meditating. You have to do something, do the action, do the work, right? So you already, if you are new in the group, there is a document where I prepared for you several of questions, which will help you to go inside your subconscious mind and find out certain limiting beliefs and how they become, how to overcome them. And it's basically focused, as the word, focused on the beginning of all of your blocks, of your limitations, of what you are having in your mind, what is stopping you in your mind. That is what we are going to concentrate today. Tomorrow we will look more on the present and future. So, but first, before we can start making the change, before we can start seeing that the money is coming more into our lives, and actually, you know what, you can use those techniques also for anything else, just this is for the money. So let's stay in the money energy, let's stay in this money consciousness together, support each other. I want it to be supportive, nice environment for you guys, because when you say maybe your family member, right, that you want to work on your money relationship or getting more money, they might most probably like look at you like if you're crazy or didn't you forget to take your pills or something like that. It's not really helpful and supportive, right? So this is the place, this is the group, that is what I wanted for you to be supportive. So all of you, there are more people and there are more people coming in. We are on the same ship, we are on the same level of grow. We want this. So this is the way, this is the part of let's say your world where you are getting the support. So use this group, use me while I am here, as much as you can to get out of it the most out of this. Yet this is free. It doesn't matter. For me, I'm going to treat you as you would pay me a lot of money, because it's the first time when I decided to do this. I have been having this desire for several months, like I think June or so last year, but I felt like, who am I? I'm not good enough to do that, right? And you may start recognizing yourself in this too, that you may feel like, oh, maybe I'm not good enough, or who am I to ask this money, or who am I to say this, and all the stuff. Well, this is already the limiting beliefs which is stopping us. And I felt like, I have to be ready for this, right? I have to be ready for this. Well, if you have this idea, you already are ready for it. Then it's coming into you. You are witnessing, actually, you are in the middle of, yes, this is it. This is your intuition talking to you. Do this, do this. And then the ego comes and says, no, you're not good enough. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, 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 no. And starting blah, 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 blah. And it will take over of your intuition. And that is when you actually, how you don't grow. But we will go a little bit deeper into how the ego also is a very important part of this process too, and intuition as well. So, oh my god, I'm so excited for this. All right, within those 4 days, we are going to work on changing relationship with money. And I already said that, and I want you to, if you can put in the comments who already know or heard that money is energy.